Hey guys, there is a lot to cover for SPY, so let's get straight in. I'm just gonna ask you if you can leave a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel, that will help me a lot. With that being said, let's go. So SPY, it closed green, believe it or not, in a red of C, managed to close green on Friday, and it's kind of looking like a bearish flag. So this I see it to break down and go below. Why do I see that? Well, because there is this level here, okay, that is basically was kind of acting like a support, and it now just went and retest this support. So it's easy to imagine that the stock. Let me draw it better. Oh, let me draw it better for you. So it's easy to see that the stock could touch this and then get down. Okay. Why? Because it acted like a support, so now could act like a resistance, and it kind of matched the fact that this looks like a bearish flag. So this is on the 4 hours time frame. Now, still in the 4 hours time frame, I want to draw Fibonacci and show you what I'm thinking here. So this is high, low, and lower high. We just went to 100% move on Thursday, and then we bounced up on Friday. But eventually, we could go down to 161% move, which is around 399, 400. It's an important level because if I extend this line, okay, you can see that here the price, this price level, this acted like a resistance for a while, and then it acted like a support here, and then it acted like a support here. So eventually we can come down and retest this level. And if it acts like a support, we bounce back up. If it breaks below, then I have another level to watch. So my I have bought puts on Friday, almost at the end of the day. I think it was 3:30, something like that. I bought puts, but they are long dated puts, kind of out of the money, but they expire in July, so I have plenty of time for this to play out. I don't like to do too many risky things, so I feel pretty confident that I will make money with this trade. Now, if we move to the daily time frame, what can we see? Well, we can see that, first of all, I have to delete all these things. Okay, we can see that, let me zoom it in. All right, so we are still outside the downtrend channel, and the MACD has crossed officially to the bears. See this red arrow here? Okay, and so the MACD has crossed to the bears. We almost retested the 50 days double exponential moving average. We haven't yet, but I do believe that the price will come down to the top line of the channel. And when that happens, the MACD will be crossed to the bears. I know the arrow points up, but it should really point down. Okay, and and I think that's very important. So, with that being said, let me give you a few. Let me give you another level that, in my opinion, it's really interesting, which is this one over here that we just cracked down. We went down here, and the other level is this one over here. Let me pull it up. Where is it? Oh, okay, here. I couldn't see it, guys. Okay, why it's important? Oh, I deleted everything. I still have to get better with making this type of videos, but I'll get there. Okay, why this level is so important? Well, kind of like I showed in the 4 hours time frame, it was a support, then it was a resistance, and then kind of cracked in and out over here, and here it acted like a resistance, resistance over here. It acted as a support here. So this is a kind of a key level, and it's around 400, which is kind of the same that I showed you on the 4 hours time frame. But if that breaks below, I mean, 400 is only what, 2%, so it's not that crazy. But if that cracks and we go below, then I will watch literally for this level here. This is very important. Why? Because let me delete all of this. Very important because it was support, support, resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, support, and then it kind of chopped around here, support. So very, very important. So the price here could easily go down here. Okay, it's not gonna happen in one day, but can go down here. So the first level to watch is 400. The second level to watch is 388, 390. So that's what I think is going to happen in SPY. And lastly, I want to show you the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, if we zoom in, the 20 days double exponential moving average is around 395. So exactly the level that I just showed you. That seemed so crazy on the daily time frame. Doesn't seem that crazy on the weekly time frame. And it would be just a retest of the 20 or the 50 days double exponential moving average. That's it. So good luck. Place your trades in the way that makes more sense for you, but always be careful and make money.